What's going on, y'all? Just wanted to drop a quick little episode for you guys on how to remove the mirrors and install Lightech mirror block offs. For those of you that don't know, on a 21 ZX10, the Lightech mirror block offs from a 5th gen will still work. It's the same part number. So I would assume that all the other 5th gen block offs will be the same. I'll go ahead and show you the one side that I already did, and then I'll go ahead and go through the instructions real quick on how to do the other, and we'll go from there. So, as you can see, perfect fit, everything looks good. Obviously don't judge my my fairings here. I got to do a little bit of cleanup, but pretty easy. There's not much to take off to do it. It's like a quick couple minute install. But obviously these two bolts right here are 5mm, and over here these are 4mm hex. You'll need to remove this one here, this hex up in here, if you can see it hopefully, and then you have this one right here. And this panel will pop off and you'll be able to access the harness back there, and then you'll just unclip that with those two, and then that's pretty much it. Now these 5mm bolts are a little tight because there's factory blue Loctite on them, so be careful taking them out. I like to use a 1/4" ratchet to do that. I loosen them up, go back and forth a little bit, and then ease them out and go from there. So once I get the cover off and pop it off, I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll come back. All right, got the cover off, guys. Gonna try to shine my light in here so you can see. But you can see here goes all of the electronics. And one sec. Right here is the boot that houses the electrical connector for your turn signals on the back. So you'll just need to unclip that, and then you pop the mirror cap stuff off and you remove it. So one sec. Kind of got like a little fold over bracket. Just unclip that, pull this out, and then you can see there's a 2-wire connector here, and you can follow it out and you'll see that it goes to the mirror if you see it underneath there. So I'm gonna unclip that real quick, and then we'll take the mirror off, and that'll be it pretty much. All right, here it is off. Little small 2-pin connector like I was saying, pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuff back on, put the block off on. So it comes with 2 little small countersunk screws in black. I am gonna reapply some blue Loctite to it, and then I'm gonna tighten it down with just a T-handle, and then just do a small little 1/4 turn afterwards. There's not that much torque on them, so be very careful, guys, on that. And that's pretty much it.